Have you ever wondered if you could start a YouTube channel with zero budget? You've probably seen videos about YouTube automation showing you AI tools and techniques that are supposed to make it easy to grow your channel. But here's the problem. Most of these tools cost money, and let's be real, not everyone can pay for that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your YouTube automation channel from scratch using a powerful free AI tool that anyone can access. Now, if you can stay with me for the next 10 to 15 minutes, I promise you'll learn everything you need to start a channel that can actually get views and maybe even go viral. So, I started researching low competition niches and discovered something amazing. There are channels out there getting millions of views on simple videos. Just imagine 9 million, 7 million, or even 3 million views, all on channels using basic AI footage with a catchy script. I'm talking about channels that post motivational stories and life lessons, videos that are easy to make and free to create. And these channels are new. They've only been around for about a year, yet they already have thousands of subscribers and millions of views. They're pulling in serious money just by uploading simple life lessons videos. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a video like this in just 10 to 15 minutes using free AI tools. And if motivation is not your thing, don't worry. This approach works for any niche. If you cannot watch this video for 10 to 15 minutes, then this business model is not for you. Try any other business. This business model is not for you. Yes, ready to start? Let's dive in.
What will be the next step, bro?
Step number 1 will be that we will learn how to create a YouTube channel.
Bro, it's very easy to create YouTube channel. Anyone can do it.
You know how to create a YouTube channel, but you do not know how to SEO optimize it in such a way that your YouTube channel ranks in Google and your channel ranks on the first page of YouTube.
Bro, that's why I say my YouTube channel does not get rank.
Alright, let's start by creating your YouTube channel. First, go to ChatGPT and use this prompt to generate a unique and catchy name. Once you find a name you like, copy it. And then give ChatGPT a second prompt to write a description for your channel. Just insert the name you chose and ChatGPT will create a great description for you. With your name and description ready, head over to YouTube. Click on your profile picture, select Switch Account, and choose View All Channels. Click on Create a Channel. Paste the name you generated from ChatGPT and hit the Create button. To rank your first video on YouTube, we'll need to set up your channel's SEO and create a custom logo and banner. Copy the description from ChatGPT and paste it into the description section on YouTube. This step optimizes your channel's SEO by using keywords related to your channel name. Next, let's make a professional-looking banner and logo for your channel.
Bro, it is very difficult to make channel banner and make logo.
In the age of AI, it's very easy. You just need to follow the steps I'm sharing with you. Go to ideogram.ai and paste this prompt along with your channel name. If you're happy with the name, leave it as it is. Otherwise, you can change it here. Choose the aspect ratio 1:1, square. Then click on the Generate button. Ideogram will create a high-quality logo tailored to your channel. Once you find a logo you like, click on the 3 dots, select Download as JPG, and save it to your device, and just like that, you have a polished, professional logo for your channel. First, upload the logo you created with Ideogram to your YouTube channel to check how it looks. Once you're happy with the way it looks, click on the Done button to save it. Next, we'll make a banner. Go back to ideogram.ai and use this prompt. Create a banner for your channel name. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio for the best fit on YouTube, then click on the Generate button. Wait 15 to 20 seconds for your banner to be created. If the banner doesn't look quite right, click Regenerate to try another version. Once you find one you like, download it. Head back to YouTube Studio and upload your banner. If the banner from Ideogram doesn't look quite right, we can use Canva to give it a more professional finish. You can also use Photoshop if you prefer. Go to canva.com and search for YouTube banner. Choose a template that catches your eye and click on it to open the editor. Delete all existing text and images to make it a blank canvas. Upload and adjust the banner. Upload the banner you generated in Ideogram and adjust it so it fits perfectly between the 2 guidelines on the template. This way, your banner will look good across all devices. Customize the background. Click on the 3 dots, scroll down, and select Replace Background. Adjust the transparency to about 20 to 30% to make it look sleek and professional. You can add extra text or effects as needed to match your style. Once you're happy with the design, click on Download and save it to your device. Now that your banner is ready, let's upload it on YouTube Studio. Begin by clicking the Upload button in YouTube Studio and selecting the banner you downloaded from Canva. You'll see a preview of how it will appear across different devices like mobile and desktop. Adjust it as needed to ensure it looks just right. Next, customize your channel handle to match your brand or niche. Once everything is in place, your channel setup is almost complete, though a few more important settings need to be configured. To give your videos a professional touch, you can add a watermark or logo. Simply upload your chosen image, and when satisfied, click Publish to make your channel officially live. Now head to the Settings section at the bottom of YouTube Studio and click on Channel. Start by selecting your country, which helps YouTube boost your content in that location. Then, add some relevant keywords to help your channel rank better. If you see any red alerts, remove 1 or 2 keywords as necessary. Next, go to Advanced Settings and define your channel's audience, such as setting it to No. This channel is not for kids, if that applies. Under Feature Eligibility, verify your phone number to unlock all available YouTube features. With these steps completed, your YouTube channel is now fully set up and optimized.
Bro, what is the next step? I think the next step will be script writing, which is very difficult to attract the viewer.
Yes, bro, next step script writing most important in your video. So I will tell you how you can write a unique script with the help of AI that will attract your viewers. I've created a detailed prompt for script writing that you can use directly. You'll find the link to this prompt in the description. Just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Within a few minutes, ChatGPT will generate a unique script for your video, typically around 4 to 5 minutes long. Once the script is ready, copy it and open Google Docs. Paste the script there and remove any parts that do not fit your vision or need adjustments. The next step is adding a voiceover, and the best part is that you can do it completely free using an AI tool called TTS OpenAI. Visit ttsopenai.com and copy your script from Google Docs. Once you're on the site, paste your script into the provided text box. Next, go to the System Voices section, where you can customize the voice by selecting options like gender and age. Use the filters to find a voice that matches your video's tone. Once you've selected the best voice, paste your script into the main box. Set the quality to High and click Generate Speech. In about 2 to 3 minutes, a pop-up will appear. Click on Go to History to access your generated voiceover and download it from there. It's a free, user-friendly AI tool perfect for adding a professional voiceover to your video. Now comes a very important step: generating AI images for your video. Watch closely as I walk you through this process. First, go to ChatGPT and input a prompt related to your script. ChatGPT will help you create a prompt tailored to generate relevant images. Once your prompt is ready, head over to piclumen.com, a free AI image generation tool. Start by signing up or logging in with Google. After logging in, click on the Create button located below the Explore tab. Here, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for optimal YouTube display. Decide on the number of images you need. For example, I'll select 3 images. You can also pick a specific AI model that suits your style preferences. Now paste the prompt from ChatGPT into Piclumen and click Generate. In about 30 to 40 seconds, your images will be ready. Download them once you're satisfied. You can experiment with different models to see what works best for your content. As you can see, these AI-generated images look impressively realistic. Now, I'll move on to the next prompt from ChatGPT. By simply copying the prompt and pasting it into Piclumen, I'm getting even more stunning results from this powerful tool. For even better visuals, try using a second model option on Piclumen. It produces exceptional results. I'll be generating all the images needed for this project step by step. Remember, you can find the link to this free AI website, Piclumen, along with other tool links and prompts in the description below. Use them while they're available for free and see how each prompt transforms into high-quality images for your video. The next step is turning our images into a video. For this, we'll use Pixverse AI. Start by signing up and logging in. Once you're in, you'll see an interface where you can upload your images. After uploading an image, paste the original prompt used to generate it in ChatGPT right alongside it. Then, choose the duration you'd like each image to display. 5 or 10 seconds is a good starting point. Click the Generate button, and Pixverse AI will transform your images into video form. Note that Pixverse is a paid tool, but you receive daily credits, allowing you to create a few animations each day for free. If you'd prefer a free method, I'll guide you through editing techniques later on in the video to animate images without any cost.
Bro, the next step, video editing and thumbnail designing and video SEO optimization. Did I say it right?
Brother, you're absolutely right. This is the final step of the video and it's crucial. There are 3 main parts to this final step: video editing, thumbnail design, and SEO optimization. Each part is essential to make sure your video performs well, so watch carefully and follow each step without missing anything. Now we're at a very crucial step, video editing. If you master this, your videos will stand out and YouTube is more likely to promote them. We'll be using CapCut, which is a user-friendly editing app. You can easily download CapCut on your mobile or PC and it's available on their official website. After downloading, open CapCut and click New Project. Start by uploading your images. First, add your voiceover to the timeline by dragging it in. Listen carefully to your voiceover and make sure to cut out any empty or silent parts to keep it smooth and professional. Then, as you listen to the voiceover, add each image step by step, timing them perfectly to match the spoken words. If you've already animated parts of the video, that's even better. You can mix in animated videos with images for a dynamic effect. Simply drag and drop each image or video clip onto the timeline and adjust the timing to sync with your voiceover. Once you've arranged all your images in the timeline, listen to your voiceover to ensure the images align with the narration. If any image feels off, simply swap it out for one that better matches the content. Next, we'll turn our images into animations to add a more professional touch. Select an image, and on the right side of CapCut, you'll see an animation option. Here, you'll have options for in, out, and combo animations. For a smooth, continuous look, go to the combo option, which combines entry and exit animations for each image. Apply animations one by one, using the combo settings to bring life to your video. Feel free to mix in or out animations for added effects. Adding these animations will give your video a more polished, dynamic feel, making it more engaging for viewers. Now it's time to enhance your video with transitions. Transitions create smooth, eye-catching effects between your clips, making the video look more cohesive. Find transitions. On the right side of CapCut, locate the Transitions tab. This is where you imported your video and audio, and you'll see an option to add transition effects here. Choose and apply transitions. Browse through the available transitions, select the ones that best suit your style, and drag and drop them between your clips on the timeline. To do this, place your cursor between 2 clips, then drag the transition effect into that spot. CapCut will apply the transition seamlessly. Adjust transition timing, optional. You can adjust the duration of each transition for a smoother flow or a faster-paced look. Adding transitions will give your video a professional touch, making each scene next step. Adding effects and music. Adding effects and background music will give your video a polished, professional look. Here's how to do it. Click on the effects icon in CapCut. Effects can enhance the visual appeal of your video and make it stand out. Choose your effect. Browse the menu to find an effect that suits your video's mood or style. Feel free to try a few different ones to see what looks best. Download and apply. Download the effect, then adjust its placement on the timeline as needed to make it align perfectly with your video scenes. Head over to the YouTube audio library, where you can find a selection of royalty-free music. Look for motivational or background tracks that enhance your video's tone. Download your music. Choose and download a track that fits well with your content. Since it's from YouTube's library, you won't have to worry about copyright issues. Import and adjust volume. Import the music track into CapCut. If your video is longer, you may need to copy and paste the track to fill in the length. Lower the music volume slightly so your voiceover is clearly heard while still keeping the background music subtle and professional. Final step, adding and customizing auto captions. Captions make your video accessible and engaging for viewers, so let's add and customize them. In CapCut, go to the text section and select auto caption. Choose your language. Select your preferred language, then click Generate. A pop-up will appear, and it'll take around 2 to 3 minutes to create captions automatically. Once generated, your captions will be visible on the timeline. Open customization options. Click on the caption text, and a menu will open on the right side of your screen. Click on Templates to choose a style for your captions. This helps match the look of your video, whether you want something simple or dynamic. Go to Basic to explore different fonts. Select one that aligns with your video's theme and enhances readability. Export. Click on the Export button at the top. Name your file, select your export settings, and click Export to save your final video. Your video is now complete and ready for upload. To ensure your video gains visibility and ranks well on YouTube and Google, it's crucial to optimize it properly. Start by using ChatGPT for SEO. Prompt it with SEO Optimize to generate a suitable title, description, and hashtags for your content. Then go to your YouTube channel and click on Upload Video. Begin the uploading process by copying the title you received from ChatGPT into the title section of your video. Make sure to delete any unnecessary portions to keep it concise and paste the optimized description into the description box. After that, select and upload your thumbnail. For creating a custom thumbnail, enter a prompt into ChatGPT to generate a creative concept. Then go to ideogram.ai, paste the prompt, select the 16:9 aspect ratio, and click Generate. If you're not satisfied with the thumbnail, feel free to regenerate it until you find one you like, then download the image. Next, open Canva and click on YouTube Thumbnail. Upload the downloaded image, set your background, and add engaging text that will draw viewers in. Choose a heading style, paste your text, and enhance it with effects like glow or outline. Adjust the text size to make it more visible and appealing, then download your final thumbnail. Finally, return to YouTube Studio, click on the Edit button for your video, scroll down to the thumbnail option, and upload your newly created thumbnail. Consider making playlists related to your video topics to keep your content organized. Once everything is set, click on the Save button and publish your video as public. Congratulations, your video is now ready to go viral. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more AI-related content, and stay tuned for upcoming videos exploring more exciting AI courses.